your girl Simply Taj back with another video. Wait. Today, well, at least tonight, I will be filming a vision board video. I wanted to create my own vision board for so long, and I'm finally getting to do it and finally setting my mind to it. I am super excited for this video just because I've been wanting to make this for so long, and I'm finally getting to do it. Excuse the beeping, I know y'all can hear that. So I'm so sorry. That's why half of this video is going to be a voiceover, but anyways, right now I'm gonna show you how to make a vision board, and obviously my vision board is gonna be my vision. So maybe after I can tell you guys what show you guys all the things that I have on my vision board and tell you why I have them on there. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so right now I had to switch it to a voiceover. So in order to make a vision board, you will need a foam board. I got mine at Walmart for like 80 cents or something like that, but you can get whatever type of board you want. Then I have double-sided tape because I felt like gluing it down, things would just probably fall off, and I didn't want to deal with that. Then obviously you need the images or pictures to put on your board. So I'm gonna go into more detail about the types of pictures you should put on your vision board, but obviously you can put whatever you want. But just hear me out. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is getting ready to print out my pictures. What is very useful and will save you a lot of time is going on PicMonkey or Canva and putting the pictures you want in a little collage before trying to actually print them out. If you print them out one by one, you will get so frustrated and waste so much money because you didn't want that picture to be that actual size. So I would definitely try to look at PicMonkey and just try to maneuver the pictures in places that you want them to go. I'm using my printer at home, and also if you're extra like me, you'll need glossy photo paper. I wanted my images to have a shine on it. If you don't want that, then you can use regular paper, but you can also go to Staples or Office Max, and I believe it's like 60 cents per page to print out, but whatever works best for you is obviously okay. Alright, so this part took a little long, so you obviously need scissors as well to cut out your images. So depending on you, you can make the photos you want any size or shape that fits you. So that is what I'm doing, just printing and cutting out all the pictures. This part right here is the biggest part that took forever and a day. So placing the pictures in the correct spots. I tell y'all, I was almost frustrated, but I kept going because I was determined to get these pictures in their spots. But especially because my board was so big and I had a lot of pictures, you will see me rearrange these pictures about 17 different times to get them in a place that I wanted them to be in. So I started off with my favorite quote in the middle, and that is probably why this was really difficult for me, but I wanted that quote there because I wanted that to be the first thing that I see all the time. So yeah. Okay, so some of you guys may be wondering what a vision board is if you haven't already kind of like put two and two together. A vision board is a big collage of images, dreams, and desires to help motivate and inspire a person to like obtain those goals. So when making a vision board, you need to make sure that these are photos that you truly aspire to be like, that you actually see yourself having. So like the type of house you like or the type of career you want, you have to truly imagine yourself being these things. That's the biggest part of the vision board. Don't put things that you think other people will like because it's aesthetically pleasing to them or even to your room. A lot of people want them all to be the same color and all that because that is the color that their room is, I guess. So if that is the color that you want in your life, then by all means put that down. But if it is not, then I don't really think you should put it on your board. My board is extremely colorful because that's how I want my life to be like, just full of color. So I know that this seems to be a little silly just because you think that you are only putting down pictures on a board and it's not that serious. But if you want to aim higher and have your dream life instead of actually like watching it on TV and YouTube, then making a vision board will actually help you see things clearly and see the images that you want in your life. You have to not only picture yourself in that life, but already see and act like you are already there. So, because eventually it will come, but only if you really want it to. Alright, so I noticed when editing that I said that I was going to show you guys why I have the things that I have on my vision board, and I did not do that anytime when I was recording, so now I am recording. So yeah, so I'm sorry about the glare too, that's from my ring light. So up here in the top left hand corner is all my YouTube and social stuff that I want to accomplish. I'm not gonna go by every single picture because you guys can clearly see, but I'm just gonna point out like the main things. So right here, obviously I want to be monetized by with YouTube, so that's why I have the little monetization symbol. And this is what I mean by making it yours, making it feel like you are already in that spot that you want to be in. So, and then same with Instagram. So I have the little verification symbol on here, making it seem like I was already verified on there. And then I have Aaliyah Simone. She is a huge inspiration for me starting my whole YouTube career. So then at the bottom here, we have a whole inspiration person type thing going on over here. These are all the people who inspire me to be a better person and to be and what I can become if I continue to do the things that I want to do. These two right here are locals in Arizona, so they mean a lot to me because I've seen how much they've grown and what they've got to do in Arizona, and that really inspires me. And B Simone is in the center of everything because I'm huge B Simone fan. Batala, Tati, and April are all ASM artists. Batala and April are ASM artists, and then Tati is just a regular YouTuber. She's good advice. She gives good advice on like relationships and all that fun stuff. And then over here, I have just all the stuff in the near future that I want to accomplish. So this Louis Vuitton bag, I've always ever since I seen it, I want this Louis Vuitton bag. And then the car that I wanted is a Jeep Rubicon. This is not, I think this one is a Wrangler, but I want a Jeep Rubicon, and I always wanted it to be all black with red interior, or vice versa, all red with black interior on it. And then this is the home that I kind of want, not kind of, but that I want. And then these three things right here are the books that I really want to read, because I want to start reading more, and just because I feel like it helps me out a lot. And then all this stuff up here is just all the shows that I want to be in. Not be in, but be in shows like them, I would say, because they're obviously already shows. They've already done the show, so you can't be in it. But yeah, so on my blog, Stranger Things, Euphoria, Step Up. I've always wanted to be in a show like Step Up, or a movie like Step Up. And then I have Disney over here because I still look like a kid, and I know darn well that Disney should cast me. So yeah. But I have sunflowers right here because I've always wanted to take pictures in a sunflower field. And then I have LAX, which I've never flown LAX, even though I am very close to it. Leave me alone. But yeah, and then I have this quote right here, change your mindset, on it. So, and then everything else, you know, you guys can see that I want. So all my stuff. So this is me, y'all. So just remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and try a vision board, you guys. Try it. It will help you out a lot because it's helped me. So yes, so bye guys, see you guys in my next video.